Amitabh, do you want to share some of your insights and stories?
Yeah, definitely. On recruitment, I have a very unique kind of experience. The average staying or the length of service in my organization is approximately 15 years, which means that people who join us stay with us and be with us in the stainless steel of the organization. What I'm talking about is the technical team, the steel melting shop or the HSM or the cold rolling mill sort of experience which you are talking about. So we use a lot of social media, and recently we have also, I have been a part of a WhatsApp group of 2 or 3, at least 3 HR group, 2 HR group definitely, which is made by colleagues, or maybe some of you would be a member of that WhatsApp group. And we also share our experience, or we ask some question, okay, where can we get a person, or whatever, query on HR also. So social media from LinkedIn and Naukris and all, it is actually moving into WhatsApp and all, people asking for opportunity through these media also. So at one go, all the HR people know that a person is available, maybe a logistics person or whatever. In his organization, he is looking for a change, and maybe another organization can take an advantage. See, on the performance, on the reward and all those things, it's how you do the communication to an employee, how you actually communicate the reward system or the performance management system is very, very important. In all these organizations where I have worked, we have a 5-point scale of rating a person, which means if 5 is the best, 4 is the next best, and 3, and 2 and 1. So maybe 2 and 1 can be 15%. I've seen people getting a rating of on a 5-point scale 3, and he stops talking to people. He stops interacting in the group, in the meetings. He always says that I am not required in this organization, or 3 is something, or B plus. We call it A plus, A, B plus, and that is how it goes. So B plus is not the ranking which and if I get one more time, that means I will not stay with this organization. So this is where we found that, and actually if you ask me, from these B pluses, you actually get A plus or A, if you communicate it well. And that is how, if you communicate well that B plus is required, and if they stay with us, they will try to nudge out the A's and the A pluses. And so the A plus or A will still perform better. So there is always a race to finish the line in a better way. So it is very important that how we communicate in the performance management system is what we have to look into it. And actually from B pluses you get A's and A plus. So you have to communicate and retain this talent. Of course, B pluses can leave and you can always replace them. But a person with 5 years, 7 years of experience is always required in the organization. So this is some of the experience I wanted to share. It actually touches us too much. I mean, all the youngsters are sitting over here. I mean, so they always are so high on growth chart aspiration and all those things. They would not agree for anything less than A plus.
So in fact, many great points here. I will move on to Dilip. The organization he works for actually invests a lot and in building top talent, leadership pipeline. Some of your experiences therein.
Thank you. At the beginning, I should thank Business World for really organizing a wonderful conclave where they have really roped in so many people, making my job a little easy. And let me tell you that when it comes to the development of the people, we ask ourselves whom to develop, and what to develop, when to develop, and how to develop, and then how to know that he has been developed. See, when I ask myself really whom to develop, when we ask ourselves, we really start looking for which are the people who are the talent, which are those skills, which are those competencies which we should really wanted to have in our organizations. So it's through a process of assessment center, which we have our own JK assessment center, we have our JK, DCJK development centers, through which the general manager and above level people are really all are compulsory to go through those assessment centers. When we hire anybody on the senior level, above general manager, we ask everyone to go through that. It is nothing to tell them that, okay, you are not fit or not suitable. It's only thing that we wanted to know that the kind of competencies which we are looking for, the kind of a culture we are having in our organizations, which the person will be really having a good match. And if you all know, that 70% of the learning or the development happens on the job itself, and 20% is through your coaching, and of course 10% is your training and other ways and processes. So we thought that why not take the first two? Of course, the third one is always there with us. So first one is when it comes to the training the people or developing the people on job. So we had a tie-up with Center of Creative Leadership USA, where we found out they had a in-depth research they have made, where they found out what are those 7 experiences required for a leader to be a successful in his own area. So we worked on that, how to make the people passionate, how to really tap the potential of the individual. That's what helps us to building a coaching culture, to find out how to really make it. We always tell our senior people to ask themselves, what is the area to be developed? What is the things required to be developed? And align those things with your business results. What are the business results you wanted to achieve? And for that, what are the skills? And what are the areas of behavioral areas you wanted for to your people to have it? And then how to really identify individuals to develop it. And mostly, we put them through coaching. 100% when it comes to the general managers and above, they have to go to the coaching process, which takes around about a year of time for every individuals. But every one of them has gone through the coaching process.
So, great point, Dilip. And leadership development and capability development is a whole area and a science in itself. And people are doing a lot of work in this space. All of us are getting challenged.